The words nature and natural are used for all the things that are normally not made by humans. Things like weather, organisms, landforms, and much more are part of nature. Water. It's found everywhere on Earth, from the polar ice caps to steamy geysers. And wherever water flows on this planet, you can be sure to find life. Take birds for an example. They're literally everywhere. And many people don't even realize it. They see and hear a wide variety of birds every day while going about their daily lives, grabbing their mail, outside their work windows, on their morning run, even watching their kids' soccer game. Everywhere. You know what birds do on a daily basis? They ride the wind. Hot and bothersome, or exhilarating and wild, winds blow through the mind as strongly as they blow through the landscape. And when there comes birds, there comes the prey, such as spiders. Nature is all around you, whether it be birds flying high, spiders spinning their silky webs, water calmly flowing downstream, or just walking in your backyard. Its beauty is a gift that cultivates appreciation and gratitude. Keep in touch with nature's heart and break away from the social normalities once in a while. Colors are known as the smiles of nature. And don't worry, it's okay to smile back.